Alright, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video we're just going to be quickly talk about the top line and the significant signs that will be playing out in the Bitcoin chart on the price action. So as we could see right here, at this point here, you could see this line, this touch line right here. There have been so many attempts on this particular lines, guys. So there have been so many attempts on this particular line. So guys, what do you think? The last time this line came, took us to 17,600, which a lot of people are talking about. That might be the bottom line for Bitcoin. But take a very good look at this line. The first time this line was touched, it was retest, and then it came down again to this place and it was retest, and then went up here again, and then retest again and went as high as 24, and then retest a little bit, wasn't up to the previous one, and then another uptrend again, and then we'll see our 24, and then this was also a retest before another bounce back that took us to 25k, and at that point you could clearly see that this was a downtrend. And then the market bring us back to this same line again, and then it managed to circle around here before there was another drop that makes the market look as if it's gonna it doesn't have any direction, and then there was a little breakdown, and then the market came back to retest 22,700, and then here we go again at this particular bottom line. So guys, for those of you who trade the market, who are so used to the chart, what is this trying to tell us? You know, we know at every retest line, and we've gotten 1, and then we've gotten 2, and then 3, and then 4. This should be a big 5, and then we got 6, and here we are again at 7. What is this trying to tell us, guys? What is this trying to tell us? Don't you guys think this market will be leading us towards the downtrend again? So I do not know how this market is going to go right now, because I am definitely shocked of how this trend has been moving. So we have been having from this point here, we've been seeing a lower low, and then we are seeing another lower low that would have taken the market out yesterday. Like I said, that the market has to come back and retest 19,700, which went below that. So if you were shorting the market from 2300, which I said we should start shorting, that means we must have been on a massive profit after taking your entering point from 18,600. After taking your entering point from 18,600, we must have been on a massive profit. So if you took this trade from this particular point of mine, when I said at 18,800 or 18,600, so definitely you got to this point, you must have made 7% of yesterday when Bitcoin went as high as 2,300 with $100 and your 20 leverage or 10 leverage. At least you must have gotten something out of the market, and then at that same point you started shorting the market again from this point. You must have gotten another 7% to where the market brought us down again. No, not up to 7. Okay, you must have gotten 2% from where this market took us from. So that means approximately you have made a lot of money if you truly followed the way the trend the market has been going. So for me, I'm not getting into the market now. I don't have any long position yet, though I'm still on my short position, because I definitely believe Bitcoin is testing this zone right here. There's every sign that we might be breaking this zone down, and if we break this zone down, you will definitely know that our next target is going to be down to this point of 19,500. I believe it's going to take us down to 19,500, because after all this test zone here, one should be able to break, because it can't just keep testing all the zone and then one of them will not break this zone. So take a, yeah, the chart is just clear from this point right here. that means we may be having a breakdown any moment soon. We may be having a breakdown any moment soon. That might not happen at the same time because Bitcoin has come to cover the gap at 19K. So I believe if this market should be picking up from this area here, should be taking us above 2800. That is what I strongly believe. The market should be taking us above 2800, which we might have another retest zone here that might bring the market down again to 19K or 18900 as the dump might choose to be. So guys, don't be scared about this dump. It is normal something, it is something that is normal in the market. The inflation rate is high, and then the US government, and every now and then a lot of news are just coming into the market and it's weighing the market down. But believe me, the bull run will be hard. As hard as the bear market is, that is how the bull will be. When the bull run comes, that is how the market will be. Don't be shake out. Every little thing you scare and sell. Always this year and come to the market with what the money you don't have any reason of being used. Like I thought I told some guys a few days ago to buy Shiba Doge, and they buy. Someone bought with $10 and he has made over $30. That is just the market. Follow the trend, keep following the trend, and go in with what you are able to lose. This market is all about profit and loss. It is everywhere. It is everywhere. We keep hearing people blowing millions worth of account. It is everywhere. That is how the market is. It is everywhere. The market is just everywhere. So retesting this support of 18,400 will be a good entering point for those of you that wish to long the market. If it to retest this point of 18,400, it will be a good entering point for those of you that wants to long the market for today. And I'm looking forward to long the market from this point of 18,400. After we long the market from that point, I believe we should be coming up to the point of 19,100 or 19,100. Yeah, that should be 19,100 or 19,200. I believe if we should retest the market, we'll be coming up to that point of 19 something. So at the moment, the market is square around this zone here. This is where the market is square around. This is where the market is square around for now. The market movement, that should be our target on the market movement. So guys, let's see you guys in our next video. Do wait to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave your comment below. Make sure you use our link, and thank you guys. You guys have been amazing. Leave a thumb up on the video. Thank you. See you in our next video.